Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you are here. On this channel, I'll teach you Japanese in a simple and easy way. Today, we'll learn about the second rule of Hiragana. But first, let's quickly review the most important sound in Japanese, the vowels. Let's review the vowels together. A, I, U, E, O, A, I, U, E, O, A, I, U, E, O, A, I, U, E, O. Romaji is the writing of Japanese sound using the Latin alphabet. It's adapted to be easy for Japanese people to read. All Japanese words are short and single. This is the base of Japanese pronunciation. Sometimes Japanese sounds feel long, but the sound itself isn't long. Only the speed and the pause change. The vowel sound doesn't stretch. Classification of Japanese sounds. Kanji and katakana are derived from hiragana. Kanji are mainly used for nouns, and each character carries easy to recognize at a glance and help distinguish words. Each kanji has two readings, onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi, kunyomi. Depending on context, many kanji include hiragana as okurigana, okurigana. Many kanji represent nouns or concepts, and even if they are homophones, seeing the character instantly shows its meaning. For now, we'll focus on Japanese sounds and the basic characters of hiragana. 1. Seion. Seion. Basic clean sounds. This is the hiragana chart. Rows are vowels, columns are consonants. The first sound of each column is the basic sound. This chart shows how Japanese sounds are built. Aiueo, kakikukeko, akasatana, hamayara. First, we have the basic sounds, called screen sounds. These are the foundation of Japanese pronunciation. The five words, aiueo, aiueo, the consonant rows, akasatana, hamayara. These are all simple sounds without any marks or modifications. 2. Dakuon, dakuon, voiced sounds. Next are dakuon sounds. We add a small mark called dakuon to certain consonants. First, we have the basic sounds called seion. They are just simple, clean sounds like kakikukeko. When we add a little mark called a dakuon to some of these consonants, the sound changes. This is called dakuon. For example, ka becomes ga, ki becomes gi, ku becomes gu, and so on. It's like adding a voice to the consonant, so unvoiced k sounds become voiced g sounds. This is how you make the dakuon sounds in Japanese. Seion becomes dakuon. Ka, ga, ki, gi, ku, gu, ke, ge, ko, go, sa, za, chi, ji, su, zu, se, ze, so, zo, ta, da, chi, ji, tsu, zu, te, de, to, do, ha, ba, hi, bi, fu, bu, he, be, ho, bo. This is changes the voice of the consonant from unvoiced to voiced. To mark a dakuon, add a mark to the character. 3. Handakuon, handakuon, semi-voiced sounds. Then we have Handakuon sounds. Only the ha row uses a small circle called Handakuon. only ha row becomes pa row. Ha, pa, he, pi, hu, pu, he, pe, ho, po. 4. Youon. Combination Youon sounds. Youon. Finally, we have combination sounds called Youon. They are made by combining certain consonants with small ya, yu, or yo, ya, yu, yo. Not all consonants can combine, only specific ones follow the rules. Ki plus ya, kya. Ki plus yu, kyu. Ki plus yo, kyo. Shi plus ya, sha. Shi plus yu, shu. Shi plus yo, sho. Chi plus ya, cha. Chi plus yu, chu. Chi plus yo, cho. Ni plus ya, nya. Ni plus yu, nyu. Ni plus yo, nyo. Hi plus ya, hya. Hi plus yu, hyu. Hi plus yo, hyo. Mi plus ya, mya. Mi plus yu, myu. Mi plus yo, myo. Di plus ya, dya. Di plus yu, ryu. Di plus yo, ryo. Gi plus ya, gya. Gi plus yu, gyu. Gi plus yo, gyo. Ji plus ya, ja. Ji plus yu, ju. Ji plus yo, jo. Ji plus ya, ja. Ji plus yu, ju. Ji plus yo, jo. Bi plus ya, bya. Bi plus yu, byu. Bi plus yo, byo. P plus ya, pya. P plus yu, pyu. P plus yo, pyo. Remember, every combination sound starts from a basic consonant. No other consonants can combine arbitrarily. So every Japanese sound comes from the basic sounds, Dakuon, Handakuon, and combination sounds all follow clear rules. Learning these 4 groups will give you a solid foundation for reading, writing, and speaking Japanese. Today's topic, number 2nd row, ke row, characters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, kakiku ke ko. Today, we focus on the ke row. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Each Japanese character is either a vowel alone or a consonant plus a vowel. Consonants always combine with a vowel at the end. These are no consonant-only sounds. Every sound includes a vowel. The combination rules are simple, just observe carefully. This one more important thing, the ke row also includes Dakuon and combination sounds. Following the rules we just explained, Seion becomes Dakuon, ka, ga, ki, gi, ku, gu, ke, ge, ko, go, kakiku ke ko, gagigu ke ko. Seion becomes Youon, ki plus ya, kya, ki plus yu, kyu, ki plus yo, kyo, kya, kyu, kyo. Dakuon becomes Youon, gi plus ya, gya, gi plus yu, gyu, gi plus yo, gyo, gya, gyu, gyo. Wrapping up. This is a complete ke row from ka to ko. Link each sound with its shape. Practice reading and writing repeatedly, and commit them to memory. Mastering these sounds is the fastest way to learn Japanese. By combining them correctly, you can distinguish words like nouns and conjunction and speak with proper intonation. This is a key feature of Japanese conversation. Next time, we will move to the next row, the S row. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. So. Step by step, this is how Japanese sounds work. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more Japanese lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.